Ona gutuika kwina cira urathie na mbere wa gutetia itua ria thirikari ria gutuma maabitha a borithi ngiri imwe mihango-ini ya gucokia thayo bururi-ini wa Haiti, bunge ya bururi ni irikitie kuhitukia riboti ya kamiti ya bunge ciere iria yendekithitie gutumwo kwa maabitha aya. No mbere ya itua riri rikinyaniirio, ciuria kuma kuri ambunge a mung'ethaniro cia wagiriru wa kiwatho wabunge gukorwo igithie na mbere na ndereti ino riri cira urathie na mbere ni ciyumiririe.
Looking at the report that has just been tabled as a motion, it contains matters that discuss merit and demerit. Could Madam Speaker guide us which part of the report, therefore, we can refer to as we are debating this particular motion?
This House has not been served with a court order, and therefore we cannot know what the order directed. When that comes, there shall be sufficient time to do that. But for now, we are proceeding.
Ni ndereti tugirie uregani ni ya bunge ya mung'ethaniro, mutongoria wa aria anini bunge-ini Opiyo Wandayi akiuga kuringana na gatiba afitha a borithi matikinyitie ikiro cia gutumwo nja mihango-ini ya kibiraru.
Simply talks of the three arms of the Kenya Defence Forces as what constitute the defense forces. Nothing could have been easier if the drafters of this constitution had intended to include the National Police Service as part of the forces.
You read Article 242, the Constitution of the Security Council. The Council consists of, amongst others, and I'll go straight to the Inspector General of the National Police Service.
Abunge magikirira ucuki muoroto wa mihango ino makiuga irarongoreria kuguna andu aigana na kimuhuko riri maraiga borithi hatikaine.
You cannot use our police women and men as guinea pigs at the altar of rent seeking, because we know for sure that the motivation for this misadventure is money.
Madam Speaker, I would want the chair to express itself to apply its mind to whether Haiti is a reciprocating country.
You don't protect the lives of your citizens by taking police officers who are supposed to protect them away from them.
No mutongoria wa aria aige bunge-ini Kimani Ichung'wa ni ateteire itua ria thirikari akiuga thirikari ikinyaniire itua riri kuona Kenya ni umwe wa mabũrũri maria mari ngwatanĩro-ini ya urumwe wa mabũrũri UN.
The Haiti government had requested the United Nations Security Council to help the stabilization of that country, on whose security situation is in dire straits.
The request came from the Prime Minister of Haiti to the UN Security Council. The UN Security Council in turn requested the member states.
Our National Police Service is part and parcel of our national security organs that the National Security Council can seek to be deployed.
Kiumia kihituku ari mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ya bũrũri na Senate ciĩgiĩ ugitiri, Minister wa ugitiri wa thĩinĩ Professor Kithure Kindiki augire thirikari ya Kenya igubatara ciringi bilioni 36 mihango-ini ino, no mbeca ici ikuma kuri ngwatanĩro ya UN. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.